Hi, this is Randy Ewert from CT SPED Math Dude. I am going to show you today an activity that I created to help a student learn how to measure using a ruler. And so I'll share with you the actual artifact and how I use it, and I'll show you how I created it. So on this artifact, this handout, I have an excerpt of some rulers taken from a web page, which I'll show you. And then I also have some excerpts, some images of rulers that I cropped out from the same handout from that same web page. And what I'm having the student do is to try the different rulers. First, the halves ruler and measure this rectangle. Oh, the rectangle doesn't touch one of the lines. Let me try the next one. And what this is doing is it's isolating the halves, the fourths, and the eighths marks, so they can just focus on that for now. And oh, that didn't quite work, so it's not fourths. So now let me try the eighths. I'll move this one up here, and then we see when you line it up, oh, 2 and 3/8. Now, the second piece is what I do to break this down for the students as far as measurement. So what I have the students do is first identify the whole number. What number did it pass? Oh, 2, so that would be 2 inches. And then we talk about the tick marks. And I talk about, well, how many tick marks go all the way across, take you all the way across to the next number? Now, obviously, I spent a little bit more time in articulating this to the student. I'm giving you a quick rundown. So we say, oh, there's 8 marks to go all the way across, but the red rectangle only used 2 out of the 8. And so that's the fractional part. And now we see we have 2 and 2/8. So now let's see how I created this. So I like to use mathaids.com because they have a lot of options available for the type of handout you create. You don't just get static handouts. It's called a dynamic handout because you have options. So I'm going to go to measurement. And then, and by the way, I have a membership, so I'm not seeing a bunch of ads. You can use these for free, except you have a lot of ads that slow it down. So I recommend getting a membership if you like it. I'm going to come down here to measuring in inches right here, and then display the ruler. And so what I said is display the ruler for 1/4, and then so with 1/4 increments. And then I also want one that displays it with I'm sorry, at the top here, display the ruler with the match that I have that will match the increments in the problem. I want 1/2, 1/4, and 1/8 inches in my problem. And so now I create the worksheet. And now you see here are these rulers that you saw and the red rectangles. Now you can create this without rulers, and that's where I got the red rectangles from. And then I created it with rulers with the different increments. And then what I'll do is I'll use a snipping tool where I will crop out these different types of rulers, and then I paste them into the Word document. And finally, once I paste this, the rulers, I choose the option where the image is on top of the other images, and that allows it to float. And now I have myself virtual rulers, and that is how I teach the use of rulers and measurement with students. So if you have questions, go to my blog where you see a blog post on this, and then you could put comments in if you have a question where you think I can follow up with you. Happy to do so. Thanks for watching.